So when you are developing VS Code extension, if you want to add these items on the right click of any items in the sidebar, so what you need to do is like first you need to create all all the listing page. For example, for projects, I have created this classes project tree item class, and which expands the VS Code tree item. And from this I have created in this I have created all the like icons and stuff, what icons it should use and what it should return, item ID and all. So to use this, if you want to add in your project, let me write the code, and after writing the code I maybe like do the editing and present to you. So let me first write. So I will write register command, and the register command I will type uh, ori dot update dot whatever command name, like project config. I want to update this project config. So the it name doesn't matter, but I used I like to follow the system like I have seen on the open source repository. Your org name, then org, yep, or project name, your project name, or then what functionality you are calling update, and for which what are you updating. So this is the project config, so that's it. And context, after that context I will pass arrow function, async arrow function. In that I will pass node. Okay, so I will take that like I have shown you that project tree item, so I will take that type, and in that I will put console log. So I if so it shows that I'm getting ID or not. So let's print PID, which I have created class for which I have created function get function for it. Okay, so after that console.log. After console log, I am writing again node is not equal to undefined. If it is not undefined, like if there is a value, then what we have to do, we have to add await, then call the function which we have created to update that function, like update project config. So after that I have to pass the variable whatever the function need, like PID project ID. Okay, so update function. So I have written the update in this other TS file, and this is the function which will simply do its work and return something. So I don't want return value. So this is the register command which I have register function I have created, which push the command in like VS Code commands. Yeah, VS Code command context subscriptions and whatever. So instead of adding one by one, I have created function which push this in that. So it takes like command name, then your function and context. Okay, after that what you need to do, come to the package.json, and first you have to add this in what it called in your commands. Okay, so there is hierarchy in contribution. You have menus, then after that view container, view, and commands. In that you need to first add the command. In commands you need to add the command. Let's add command then ori dot we will just copy paste that command which we have written. It will get mapped, so you need to paste the same exact command, so it will map that, or else you will get an error. Double quote. Okay, then title, you need to add title on right click. When you see the titles, you have to add title here to what title it should show update project config. Okay, then uh, when you want to add to the specific list tree, like this one I want to add in project tree, tree list. So I want to add for this like these items. Whenever I right click on these items, it should show. For that I have to go to the view section of this, which is context view, I think so. Yes, view item context, which comes in menu section. Okay, so in that I will add uh, command which we have copied earlier. So this command will map to the command section below command section, which we have first written. Okay, then when it will show that show this button. So we want this button on view. So which view we want in? We don't want in identity list. We want in project list view. So we will show that. And in group is basically to maintain the order of the item. On right click, it should be on first, second, third, or at the last. So it will I want to print it at the last, show the button at the last. So I will add at 11. Okay, and there is comma missing. Okay, so after adding this, you just need to run your program and check if this button shows. Okay, button shows, and there is our project command, and it is working. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, so quick recap. Yeah, so if you want quick recap, if you want to add your own like if you are building VS Code extension, and if you want to uh, add button right click on item, right click. If you want to add this option like update whatever command you want, you can just click and execute that command or function. So to need to do that, you have to what you have to do is first, like, you have to register that command first, which you are going to use. So I have created register command function, which push to the subscription of VS Code extensions. Okay, which basically register the command and push it to the subscription. So then you have to register command. In the first, I have passed the name, unique ID, from which it can identify the command, uh, which is string. After that, we have function name, function which executes on when we click on this button, like update button or what. So, after that we have passed the context. Okay, so after adding your function, what you have to do is like go to the VS Code, go to the package.json. I've- in package.json there is like contribute section. In that contribute section, go to the commands and add your command. So I have added my command, this command. So this command will map to the extensions .ts, this string. Okay, it will look for that string and capture that command. When we press that button, it will execute that function. And to add it in the right on the context also, and on a view context, you have to add it also in menus. You have to add in view item context. And when you add there, you have to pass that command which we have written below. Same ID we have to pass here. And when it should be visible. So it should be visible on the view of list projects and at 11th position. So this is the group for that project list, and on that it should print on 11th number. So yeah, that's it, and hit run, and your button will be there. Yeah, that's it. Thanks.